So Starfish, how I explain it to students is it's kind of like a college Facebook in a way. It allows students to connect with our office, the Act Center, with tutoring services throughout the campus and also with their faculty. So throughout the semester, faculty have the ability to submit feedback on how students are doing. So they can say, hey, you're doing great, like you're attending class, you're participating, you're doing really great work academically, like keep it up, let's get through the semester right. But they can also submit concerns. So if a student's been absent frequently, just to help them. If they haven't been submitting their homework, things like that, faculty can submit that feedback and students receive that feedback. And then that's kind of where the Act Center comes in. They can meet with an academic coach to discuss a plan of action.
An additional feature that Starfish has is that they are able to schedule their own appointments with an advisor, and I think that that is really important because the academic coaches here are really committed to wanting students to grow their relationships, not only with their academic coach, but also with other support services, so that they're gonna, maximize and achieve their full potential.